Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by measuring and marking the exact spot for each number. Accuracy matters because brick is permanent. Once measured, hold the numbers in place and mark the 2-4 mounting points with a pencil or painter's tape. Next, choose your mounting method: mechanical anchors for long-term hold or high-strength masonry, adhesive for minimal drilling. Finally, clean the brick thoroughly with a stiff brush, vacuum dust from holes, and wipe with isopropyl alcohol so adhesives and anchors bond properly. With marks in place, use a hammer drill and the correct carbide masonry bit sized to the anchors you're using. Drill straight into the brick, not the mortar, so you get solid material. Drill to the anchor manufacturer's depth and remove all dust by blowing or vacuuming. If using anchors, tap them gently until flush. If using adhesive, inject to the whole bottom and withdraw slightly to fill. Once anchors or adhesive are set, align the numbers, use a small level, and attach hardware snugly, but not over-tightened. After mounting, tighten fasteners evenly to pull the numbers flush without cracking the brick. Make a final level check and adjust if necessary. If you used adhesive, allow full cure per product instructions before handling. Seal around fasteners with exterior silicone to shed moisture if the installation is exposed. If chips or dust occurred, repair small areas with matching mortar or colored patch. If a hole is oversized, use a larger anchor or re-drill and use a chemical anchor. Troubleshooting tip: if a number wobbles, remove it, clean the hole, and reinstall with fresh anchor or adhesive to restore a secure hold.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.